Utah's motto is industry, and our emblem is the beehive. Utahns overcome, we achieve, we contribute like no one else.
Utah's played a leading role in the early development of advanced manufacturing in the United States at Hercules and Thiokol in the 1950s.
Many of the technologies developed in Utah for programs like Minuteman and Polaris are still being used as part of today's newest programs and will be part of our industry going into the future. Utah's companies are poised to continue this excellence far into the future.
During my time as governor, I have visited factories making carbon bike wheels, skis, and even train cars, all of which rely on Utah innovation and know-how in advanced materials.